But yeah, so here it is. They look pretty to me. Not perfectly round, but I like it like that. So today, I'm gonna answer a few questions and show you how to make two colors when you're dipping a mini tube. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and be honest with you right now. I know some of you wanna know how to do a half and half split down the middle. This is not the video for you because I don't know how to do that yet. What I'm talking about is dipping one color and then another so you can have two colors within a jig. All right, let's get into it. So I already have some plastic already mixed with the color I want. So I'm just gonna reheat the plastic, melt it down, and bring it back up to temperature, and then I'm gonna do it that way. The way you prevent your plastic from burning or turning different colors is you can't just pop it in the microwave and put it on for 4 minutes and just wait till it melts. You gotta break that time up. I usually do 2 minutes, stir, 2 minutes, stir, 2 minutes, stir. But my microwave is 700 watts. So depending on yours, it might be different. So either way, just break it down in time. Probably start off with a minute. You just basically put it in the microwave, minus 700 watts. I'm gonna start it off with 1 minute. I'm gonna actually do a minute and a half. And then once that's done, I'm gonna stir it up. Yeah, stir it up and repeat. Right now with these, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lube them up. Honestly, I just use cooking oil. I have worm oil, but I've learned that this works fine. Now, that's it. That's all the spray I'm gonna put on it. But one thing I've noticed is, you see how I have a lot on there? I just kind of rub it in. Because if you have too much oil, what I've noticed, I've tried dipping it, and then it slides right off. The plastic will slide right back off because there's too much oil on the rods. You see how it's starting to melt a little bit? So I give it a quick stir. See? Alright, so now you want to bring it up. You got your rod. And I want to dip it in about now just wait. All right, with the second color, repeat the same steps and just dip the rod halfway in. That's it. So here it is. They look pretty to me. Not perfectly round, but I like it like that. So let's go ahead and cut it. After you've dipped them, let the plastic set up on the rods. If you give it 10-15 minutes, I think that's enough time. But sometimes I'll drop them in some cold water, leave it for a few minutes, and then take it out. Slide right off just like that. Now, there it is. That little tip right there, I'll probably cut that a little bit off, or I might leave it. We're gonna drop some worm oil on these. I've used cooking spray, and that worked for me too. But let's just put a little worm oil, boop, 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 boop. And I also like to put a little oil on my blades. I usually use cooking spray on the blade for sure, but this is just, I don't have it next to me. I just want to show you guys how to do these real quick. Place your jig down, they're nice and oiled. Take your blade. Now, I grab them on the sides, not grabbing it like this, but on the sides, All my fingers are away from the blades. Right on top. Find it. Right there. There you go. Push down. Now, pull the rest through. Bam. Just like that. All right. That's it, that's all. So there it is, the final product. I like the fact that they're not perfect. That's just me. Everybody's different, everybody has a preference. But these are my deformed jigs, as Sean will call them. I appreciate Sean and all the names that he be coming up with because they stick, I like them. So these are gonna be my deformed jigs, a part of the Outcast collection. Because usually you will see something like, oh, that don't look right, that looks weird, and then you'll never use it. But I'm using it. And if you didn't see already, here's the fish I caught with my last deformed jig.
There we go, y'all see the jigs don't have to be perfect. Just get them in there.
There it is.